Back with another chip review. We got the Migos. We're going to do this in honor of Takeoff. Barbecuing with my honey with a dab of ranch. We already opened it because, of course, I have to. Yeah. Just because I know you're going to like them. Baby, you going to like them. I'm just going to give y'all a hand. I got Coco with me and I got Bella with me. Say good morning, y'all. Good morning. All right, here we go. Let's see.
3, 2, 1.
Munch.
Mom, look at
Mm-hmm. Pee Wee begging.
He's touching the chair.
Look at him. Let me see him. Look at him, y'all. Wait.
Hey, give me that seed.
Oh my God. I need to grab my fucking hand. Gotta use the other hair.
You done.
What you think, Coco? 1 through 10.
Tastes like the barbecue chip Lay's.
And 5. What you give it, Bella? 1 through 10.
Shimmy,
Tell them.
Like,
Side eye.
because it tastes like the barbecue Lay's.
Mm-hmm.
And they don't really have a difference to them.
See how that looks like we probably wasn't supposed to do that?
Hey, what? Tell them you gotta lean over a little
They
bit.
don't really have a difference to them. Like, they literally taste like barbecue Lay's. And they just rip. This is a rip-off. Do not recommend buying it.
What you think, Coco? For real, like, give it an in-depth analysis. I don't like them. I mean,
I like them.
black folks, when we buy something, we eat it all because we don't want to waste food, so I'm going to eat them. But I ain't going to buy them no more. Yeah, baby. Let me come down so you see how. You want some more? I'm going to give y'all the bag. Okay. What's your rating, Coco? 1 out of 10. It was 5. What's yours?
4.
5 and 4?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give them a 2 because I feel like you really can't eat Lay's. You can't eat one. You never could. Move, boy. Anyway. Yeah. Try them though. They got a little barbecue flavor, a little sweet, but the hint of ranch is not there.